All right, let's do a little Monday morning quarterbacking. All right, today is September 23rd. This is Monday morning. The market just opened on yesterday evening, Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're taking a look at a few positions that we left running from last week to analyze those positions and look at where we think these positions are going so we can get an accurate level of take profit. Okay. Now, the first position that I want to look at is the Euro USD. We actually took a trade on this position on Friday. Now, no, we don't normally trade on Fridays, but we didn't take it as a day trade. We take it as a swing trade, meaning we were planning on staying in the positions for about 3 days, 3 to 5 days. Okay. Now, as you can see here on the 1 hour time frame, okay, the Friday is right here, because from this session line to this session line on the 1 hour time frame equals 1 day. So we placed an order to go short at the break of this level of support. Okay, we figured trend would be changing, going in our direction. So we placed an order to go short. The trade was executed, and on this morning it pulled back into structure and went ahead and continued to move to the downside. Alrighty, so just like we projected price would do. And you see we're looking to get out this trade at this level of support right here. Alrighty, so we have a couple days remaining in this trade, and hopefully either by tomorrow, close of business Tuesday, this trade would have reached its take profit target for about 90 pips, 91 pips, let's call it 90 pips of take profit to begin the week. Okay, so that's our first position that's running. It's currently up 32 pips, so we have about 60 pips remaining. Our second position is going to be on the NZD JPY. Okay, now as you can see here on your NZD JPY, we actually entered this position about 2.5 days ago on Thursday. If you look real close, you can see that the first entry of this position was right here. Well, the only entry is right here. Okay, you can slightly see this green line. Price came down on Thursday, sell, stop order, put us right into the position. Essentially, this trade had zero drawdown, guys. Thursday, Friday, pull back today. Okay, and now it's continuing to the downside. Okay, now as you can see, I have another sell limit order right here. If price pulls back into this structure, we will take another short position in this order, on this pair, simply because if I take my crosshairs and I drag it all the way down, I can see this pair still has about another 130 pips of potential take profit in this pair. So if price pulls back, triggers me in, I will have a second position on the NZD JPY, hoping to close that total trade out, both positions, for about 330 pips on the week in just that currency pair, NZD JPY. Alrighty, let's look at our last position that was running from last week. This is on the Euro JPY. Let's bring it over. Okay. Now on the Euro JPY on the 1 hour time frame, again, essentially you're looking at the same thing. The Japanese yen is the world's most safe haven in terms of currency pair. With everything that's going on right now in the world, Japan is calling a lot of their money home. A lot of people are putting their money in the yen. That means the yen is gaining strength in the market. That's why you see all of these pairs are being pushed down by the Japanese yen, and the yen is gaining strength. But as you can tell right here on the Euro JPY, again, this is a trade that we put a sell stop order in on Friday, and as you can see, it came right down, boom, put us right in the trade. Now all of these pairs are pulling back because we were actually up 190 pips in these pairs earlier today, but we know that when New York opens, it gives you a 30 to 50% retracement depending on the pair. I shouldn't say 30 to 50%, I should say 30 to 50 pips retracement depending on the pair and how it moves. So we totally expect price to pull back to continue on to our take profits, hopefully by the close of the trading day on tomorrow. So there it is, guys. From last week, we are currently up 150 pips in our positions. We were up upwards of 190 pips, but we are experiencing the pullback now. But we're currently running 150 pips right now to begin the week. And these are all positions that were set on late last week. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.